clothes is outside. Please tell me.
Your clothes is outside.
Agbada people, this one come forward. Agbada people.
I just want to stress you. Now go turn like this, bring your wife.
If we say
no, nothing. You think I want nothing, no? Now opportunity to still stress you more.
International DJ.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Please, one more time, so far just coming in. If you're just coming in, please, men on suits, you can come and sit now on your seat. Once it's time for us to come in, we know how to do it. Please, we don't want hanging around, too many movements, too many standing. We know say yes, some of us will see ourselves for the first time this year, and we did try to do.
There go.
It can never get better than this. This is the height of beauty. We celebrate as they make way for Kastro and Aisha tonight. Come on, can't you see this beautiful couple? Can you make some motherfucking noise up here tonight?
Ladies and gentlemen, please one more time, let's give it up for Sabalo. Let's give it up for Sabalo. Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, some all our wonderful dignitaries walked in all the way from